Good morning, my Jules. So I am on school run duties. I'm just getting the little one's lunchbox ready, and then I am gonna get her dressed for school, and then we're gonna take the cab to school, and then yeah. So in her lunchbox today we have ice creams, what's it, cookie, and a little jammy wheels. And just gonna put, yes baby, this is her actual lunch. So there's plantain, chicken and pasta in there, and that is her juice for school. So that is fruit shoot and with some water to dilute it, because obviously you don't want it to be too sweet. So that's her lunchbox ready. Jules. I'm going to my school party today.
It's good, a party day.
Yes. And you'll be a little Red Riding Hood.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just do that.
These cabs are absolutely ridiculous. Please tell me why we're ready to do the school run, and let me not even talk. Let me talk when I actually get in the cab, because I just don't want anything else to come and cause a kerfuffle this morning. How are these cabs so workless? I don't understand. This is beyond me. Honestly, this is really beyond me. These cab prices, £27 in the morning. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Child. So as I was saying, right? So the cab takes so long. The cab demand charge a bag of money. I don't know what I want. This must be it. Come, baby. Let's go. Stop. I don't know why the man have reversed her. But guys, honestly, it's been listen. It's now 8:35. I got 10 minutes to get to this school. So this Uber better be stepping on the gas and the pedal. It's a morning rush in England. It is no joke, baby. And what I can see in front of me is traffic. I can see traffic. That's not cute. But we shall get there by the grace of God. So I'll book the Uber to go to her school, and then to drop me straight back home. But them not gonna wait for more than 3 minutes. But everything has to be aligned, because if it's not, then your girl's in trouble. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this morning's routine with the little one. Say hi. So I'm gonna drop her to school, and I'm gonna pick her up, and then so I'm gonna try and okay, traffic don't look too bad. We're on the motorway right now. I don't have no hair.
Mama.
I have hair, huh? I have hair. I do have hair. It's just, guys, how do y'all do spot, you know. It's like the skin of the spot. I don't know what's going on. But me and baby girl just over it at this point. We've been driving, and I'm gonna say he's following us sat nav. But the thing is, I don't know if he's going the right way, the wrong way, the left way, the right. I don't know because I just never been here before. Oh God, gotta get on our side. Baby girl is just at this point she's over it. She's like, yeah, this is taking forever to get there. What a long piece of drive, man. That was me thinking, oh, whoops, it's up the road. What was I wrong? We're going through some hills and some valleys. We're going through some hills and some valleys. I'm telling you, some hills and some valleys. I'm just looking around like, okay, I didn't know my neck of the woods had this kind of stuff. Very interesting. My neck of the woods been looking very interesting to me. I mean, clearly I don't get out much. Clearly, because I don't know. I just, where am I? I don't know. But I'll be back soon. I'm sure we'll find it. They have the witch in the tree, people. Oh my gosh. Jesus. Look at that. What happened? Right. I'm going to have a bubble bath because I've had a very hectic day and I want to relax. So I'm going to go and have a bubble bath. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. I appreciate you, I love you, and I will see you in another vlog. Okay? Big up on yourself. I am Julsz Tymm, and I hope you have a good time all the time. It's now time for me to go relax, honey. Morning run, easy, okay? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
See you next time.
Say goodbye.
I'm Priya.
I'm Priya.
And this is Julsz Tymm. Come.
Julsz
Tymm.
Julsz Tymm.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Like. Comment. And share. I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.